Hello children, now come to another topic, page number 25, discovery of Indus Valley Civilization. Now I told you in the very beginning that Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in 1921 by an archaeologist, Rakhal Das Banerjee and Dayaram Sahni. Yes. Now the discovery of Indus Valley Civilization is an interesting story. We will come to know how this civilization was discovered. Up to 1920, nothing was known about this civilization, so we did not know anything about this civilization until 1920, when construction workers at a railway track near Harappa were using the bricks from a nearby ruin. Ruin is an area where you will find all the wreckage. Okay, Khandar, okay, it is called Khandar in Hindi. So, when construction workers at a railway track near Harappa were using the bricks from a nearby ruin, it was realized that the bricks probably belonged to a very old civilization. When you see any object, you can figure out how old it is. So, usually when historical objects are found, as known as artifacts, are found, archaeologists have that eye, they have that knowledge to figure out that something is old enough as it belonged to an ancient civilization. Alright, you can differentiate between new things and old things. Yes, similarly it needs some more expertise to figure out an ancient object. So that brick, with the help of that brick, people came to know that that brick belonged to a very old civilization. The railway authorities informed the Archaeological Survey of India. So the railway authorities informed these officials who were from Archaeological Survey of India. In 1921, two archaeologists, Dayaram Sahni at Harappa and Rakhal Das Banerjee at Mohenjo-daro, carried out excavations. Excavations is digging the earth and obtaining things from under the ground that belonged to ancient times, which revealed that a very advanced civilization, far older and superior to, so this Indus Valley civilization was more superior to the European civilization, and this Indus Valley civilization had flourished in India. It even shattered the age-old myth that history of India began with the coming of Aryans. It means that before the Aryans, these Aryans were a dynasty. So this before the arrival of these Aryans, this Harappan civilization, this Indus Valley civilization was discovered. It was much more older. This created great excitement not only in India but in other countries too. Further excavations at Lothal, Ropar and Kalibangan revealed that Indus Valley civilization flourished beyond the river Indus. So, beyond this river Indus, after a great distance of Indus River, this Indus Valley civilization emerged. It is estimated that the Indus Valley civilization existed between 2500 BCE to 1500 BCE, almost at the same time as Egyptians, Sumerian and Chinese civilizations in the world. So these are some of the names of different civilizations as Egyptian civilization, Sumerian civilization and Chinese civilizations. Since the script has not been yet decoded, the writing, the language in which the script was written, yes, like some scripts are written in Hindi, some scripts are written in English. There used to be different languages in the past. There used to be Prakrit. Okay, you will find manuscripts written in Prakrit. Now what are manuscripts? Manuscripts are kind of pages that are made from big palm leaves. Okay, they kind of look like this. I'm not much good at drawing, so please don't laugh at my illustration. Okay, so it kind of look like this, and script were written like some records which king reigned at that time, about the contemporary king, the king that was existing at that time. Their records were written, which battle they won, how much kingdom they had captured, how much treasure they had. So there didn't used to be pages like you have pages these days, that is made up of from the pulp of paper. There used to be manuscripts, and records were written in manuscripts with ink. And these manuscripts wore out. These were not strong enough as papers. So when one after another chronologists wrote down the events, it gradually changed, because if this tears off or this part tears off, can you figure out what is written here? You cannot figure out like that, isn't it? It was very difficult. So some things are there, not only something, there are many things in history that is not accurate, the records are not accurate. Since the script has not been yet decoded, decoded means when you decipher it into simpler languages, when you decode the meaning, you write down the meaning. Yes, we have to rely on archaeological evidences. We have to keep our faith, we have to believe on the archaeological evidences, what the archaeologists have derived. So on the basis of that, we will have to believe them, such as pottery, seals, stamps, coins, tools, ornaments, jewelries, burial sites where dead people were buried. Yes, ruins of towns and other artifacts for our knowledge of the Indus Valley civilization. As Harappa was the first site to be excavated, it is also known as the Harappan civilization. So Harappa was the first site to be excavated, it came to known as Harappan civilization also. And I will give you much more glimpse to this chapter. It is really interesting. It is a very nice chapter. You will get this in Hindi also. So you don't only stick to what is given in book. I will give you more inner glimpse to this chapter. You will find it fascinating. It's a pretty interesting chapter. I will show you illustrations, and I will give you map pointing in this chapter as well. Alright, so we keep it up till here today. Thank you and have a great day.